Okay. So today we're at Ponce City Market. Classical.
Oh, we got new shoes. Check out the Spider-Man fit.
Eli, stop.
I thought you were gonna crease them.
Not really fit, but
Eli, say hi. Or not. I think we gotta do it where.
I think I would smell one.
Are you okay? There are people coming this way.
Hey, bro.
Eli. Oh, dang. Get over here. Okay, this way, this way. Hello, Rubbies. Bruh?
Today we're at Ponce. We're about to eat because it is.
And Justin needs a new Sonny.
Ooh, it's so pretty in there.
You're ignoring us.
Yeah, I am. My bad.
The word of the day is rum.
Of course it is.
Look at Na's keys. She has more than one key to. Stop zooming in like that. Bruh, I'm so sick of you, bruh.
I literally started rap, so don't even.
That's not even a good part. Ouch. Walk with me, walk with me.
Give it to
walk
me.
with you. You zoom in on people's noses.
Okay, okay.
Don't zoom in. Oh, get this. Have you ever been here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have. Me.
No, with me, with you and Trini.
Oh, it's also my parents.
Oh, there's an Indian place? Oh my god.
West Taco, whatever has wine out there.
Okay,
You don't
You've
need
never
wine.
go to one place and we can sit and eat together, okay?
Okay.
We're all gonna get the same food, right?
Yes, walk with me, walk with me.
Okay. They got chicken sandwiches.
I'll eat anything.
That's a lie.
I'm that.
You hesitate. Sorry.
I was gonna say I think what's particular thing.
Hi Jen.
Hi.
Eggplant lasagna?
What are we
Yes, I would.
what are we craving?
I low-key want a burger or a chicken sandwich.
I want a burger.
Oh, you want a burger? We can go back to that burger place. Because I think the last time we went, I got a hot dog. But it was
The next time you see us,
why are we walking?
we'll be at the burger place. Okay, bye.
I lied.
Oh my God.
We're a second later. Okay, now you'll see us at the burger place.
Hey y'all, we got the goods. Hey y'all, we got the. We don't have the goods yet, but you know, we're waiting them up.
We got H&F burgers. We're outside of Hop's Chicken. I low-key wanted Hop's Chicken, but their chicken's dry. For real, their chicken is dry. Good sauce though. Good honey mustard. Well, whose nails are better? Whose nails are better? Obviously mine's.
Mine are the image of sophistication.
Hers are classy. Mine's are girly. I don't have a word.
The image of
Magical.
Perfect image of
Give
sophistication.
me your nails. Right hair nails, guys. What is this? It's just. This is the white that people use to paint their room walls.
You say white.
Oh, I mean the blue. The blue. My bad. My bad. This is that room blue. The teenage girl blue. Where do you want to go so bad?
It's William Sonoma. Come on, y'all.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, it's William Sonoma. We gotta go. Just a peek.
Just a peek?
Just a peek. It's William Sonoma. We gotta go. Ain't no.
Excuse me, Linda.
There
Linda,
ain't-
what's the fit for today, Linda?
There's no William Sonoma around
There's no
here.
Williams today. We got Spider-Man shirt, thanks to Jessica. Jeans, thanks to Aeropostale. Shoes, thanks to Miles
Jenny.
Morales.
Miles
She stole them off
Miles
the feet of
Morales.
Miles himself.
Miles Morales, Ginny, and Goat.com.
Go.com. Oh, this is, what's that thing called? A promo.
Promo code.
Who is it? Who is it?
Oh, you want a William Sonoma.
Welcome to Play's World. Unwrapping burger gifts. Wait down.
Oh, this is mine.
This is mine.
I got the jalapeno.
Let's see who's first. Please
mine.
beat me. Oh. Okay, she's done. I gotta find mine now.
Hey guys.
Tell mommy, what did we buy?
We're back.
Raspberry tart?
We're almost done. Well, we just finished eating. Ginny Sonny bought dessert. Here's Eli.
Is that trash bag or no?
Oh, we're putting our food in there.
Okay.
Like leftovers. Yeah. Yeah.
Rồi cái bánh thịt to
So
với
yeah,
vậy.
we're gonna eat.
Tao lấy cái nhỏ rồi. Rồi ăn xong rồi cái này.
Don't tell Jessica. We're recording this because she went to the bathroom. She probably forgot to go pee or something. Weirdo. Hi, baby. Oh, is this your first time at Ponce City Market?
No, I've been here before.
Oh, so cute. You guys been here before?
Đi rồi chứ?
And there's Eli. Let me put this in Jessica's chair while she's gone. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi, now. You're such an emo. Hi, Apple. Hi, Eli. Huh?
What did you get, guys? A heart strawberry shake.
Throw it away.
Oh,
Why?
It's dirty.
Don't touch it like. Okay, open that one. Open it.
Wow.
wow, Eli.
Eli, wait. Let mommy clean the table real quick.
Who's this?
Sao nó thành berry lắm. Chắc chị phải đi Home Depot chị mua cây blueberry về trồng trước nhà đây cho nó.
Why not?
Chim dữ quá chắc không có xong mình đang mà cái action.
I'm gonna try the coffee one.
She's blonde. Ew!
Oh, I forgot. Jessica. Hey guys, when I was talking about earlier, she better add in the vlog. No!
I like holding it for you.
Well, I was saying earlier, when Jessica was in the bathroom, I thought she had to take an extra pee. But she's back in now.
Hey, I lied. I'm on my period. No one, I always said, I have to go see her. That's weird. So I try to be inconspicuous, but she was, hey, if you're zooming in, I'm gonna kill you. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom back out. Guys, did she zoom out? That looks like Dorothy.
No, she doesn't.
Huh?
No, she doesn't.
Slouching. Okay, so what? I literally said you zoomed in. You zoom back out. Is it moving?
It's moving.
I can feel it moving. We're gonna go to the gem store,
Okay. Yes!
but it's upstairs.
Whatever.
So I don't know if Ginny's gonna work. I want a Sonny Angel.
Oh, it was no, never mind.
Get him, get him.
Zoom in.
No,
Just slightly.
fine. From here, I can see the camera slowly pushing.
Oh, it's so cute. Where's Nat?
Go interview them. Go interview them.
What's up, Nabble Babble? What's up? What's up? What's up? Eli, turn around.
Eli, look at the camera.
The lemon is slowing me down. The tartness is getting to my stomach. Guys, all up in my space. Hey, you want some? Say
Ew.
That's how LeVon does them hands to balls.
LeVon?
You remember?
Yeah.
He was twisting his hand somehow.
How? Again?
He had his hand under while he was twisting it. I remember when I first did that, I was mortified. I was like, I thought he got stitches, I thought he lost a finger. He came back with a cast.
Maybe chắc chỉ mà chị nghĩ họ ấy đó.
What was your most scary story that you've heard? Or one of them?
Dang, what? Oh, okay.
Like falling down the stairs of the garden. That's one.
I've done that before?
I'm saying that's a fear because they all look so weak.
Okay, so once I was running, right? Once I was running.
Wait, so there's a cute moment happening.
Anyways, once I was running, right, and I was falling, and so I fell on my elbow, right, and then it made a big gash. There's still the scar. And it made a humongous gash, and
That's something that happens. it.
And then once I was doing this because my team was losing and I was nervous, and then I just hit, and then the whole scab just fell off, and then it started bleeding like a mother trucker. It was so bad. I started bleeding on the art classroom floor.
That's graphic. Did anyone scream?
No, they all huddled around me though.
Oh, you were a star for a few minutes.
Also, here, let me tell you this secret story.
Here, walk with her.
Walk with me. Walk with me. Also, once, I was using a lighter, and then I accidentally held it backwards, and then it burned my abdomen. So, it wasn't a bad burn, it just like hurt for a couple days, and then it was fine. So yeah. Is this getting my face? So yeah, that's my story.
What is one time you were always scared that something was going to happen when you were a kid, so you never did it?
Oh, my foot got caught in the escalator.
Me was never put your hand under those types of stools, or else you'll break your hand like LeBron.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, you did have that.
Yeah. If you like step in the middle of two of them and then one of them goes up and then one of them goes down, balance.
I never understood that. I feel like even if you don't lift up your feet, it's gonna push you up.
Why go where? Eli, you come and eat up.
Look, they can trade. Where are we? Introduce. Oh, I didn't even know the name. Oh man, we forgot to get the crystal shop in. But tell them what the crystal shop was like. Was it magical? I wanted to go to Target. I was gonna take us down to the Target in Stockbridge. What's my reward? I don't deserve a reward? Whatever. Tell them what the gem store was like. Where are we? So beautiful.
Look at the other side.
We on the diagonal.
3D map?
Phòng lớp 100 thời. Ở lại đây, đi đây nói, cô đây nói.
So, if y'all are going to be straight here, there are stairs right here at the up, and then you see that right there is actually the walkway. So if you take the stairs up, cross all the way, cross over, so basically, you know the belt line right there? You basically walk.
Look, this is your section. It's a shame you only have $1 on you.
Oh, no, thanks. I brought my own. I couldn't deal without it, so. Okay. Thank you for your help. Yeah, have a good day.
The best aisle that there is. The Sonny Angel. Where's all the boxes? I should have. You know what? This pushes me to not buy any. That's so heartbreaking.
Oh my god, that's actually so heartbreaking.
Can you buy me this?
I will buy you that.
You will?
Yes.
Because you feel bad for me?
Yes.
Bro!
Oh,
That's the only thing I wanted.
the keys are
They could wait for me and I run back all the way up to Ren's. Should I run back to Ren's? Nah! Look!
Tell me on these.
Which one do you want? I hate dropping things. It makes me feel like people don't want some store when something falls down. Accidents happen, but
Oh, that one's so cute.
let's go, for real.
Look at this one. Jessica. Here, give me the camera. This one's so cute.
We're gonna bring him back.
So cute.
Why is that the thumbnail?
I've got words on.
Oh, come on. Wait, turn around. This isn't the outro, but let the fans know what's happening.
Leaving the Osman books.
Hosman Books. Wonder if we stole anything by accident.
I did.
I feel like Eli would have a pin on him. Like, where are we? Lululemon.
Lululemon.
I don't think we're saying it good.
We're at Lululemon. Come on.
Wait, how'd you say William Sonoma?
William Sonoma.
That's not how you say
Dạ,
it.
không phải Lululemon nè.
This isn't Lululemon?
No, it is.
Oh.
Thế con muốn đọc sao? Lululemon.
Oh, lemon.
You want the Lululemon? No, one day.
It's William. I wanted to go to William Sonoma, but
Sonoma. Oh, that's it. Yeah. You need the accent.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's just my accent.
That's not.
What are you talking about? It's just my accent. Because all I want to do is go to William Sonoma, but you know we couldn't. There's a peak in William Sonoma, but you know who couldn't go to William Sonoma? Me. I couldn't go to William Sonoma. I wanted to go to William Sonoma, but no, I can't go to William Sonoma.
Sonoma.
William Sonoma. But you know I am a grown adult that can do whatever she pleases.
You are, but can you afford anything from William
I can
Sonoma?
afford William Sonoma. You can't afford William Sonoma.
I don't like this accent.
William Sonoma.
Can you say Lululemon in a funny accent?
Lululemon.
Okay, pick out an outfit.
Lululemon.
Close your eyes and pick a fit, Mrs. Sonoma.
Give me a number.
1.
5.
1 and
6.
5.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Your logic is weird.
Where do you think you were going?
Ooh,
I wanted that one.
you might need a minute to grow into this.
Okay, and then come on, pick up pants at me.
Stop. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross.
How many seconds?
7.
Start from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we had a purple bra. Oh, that kind of matches. Okay, Mrs. Sonoma, you chose a kind of good one.
My William Sonoma outfit.